Hi, my name is Jess. I don't have a studio backdrop yet, so I thought I would use this here for a portraiture session. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I set up and what equipment I use, and a behind the scenes look of how I captured these fantastic photos with a silver backdrop. So the equipment I used was a Canon 5D Mark III with a 24-70 lens. And also I used my Andy Orr softboxes. And this here is the tripod I used. It's very old, so nothing fancy. And the last thing I used is this wireless remote, so I can trigger the shutter button with this. And everything I used in this video will be linked up here or linked down in the description if you want to take a look.
She anticipates no chance if you become prey. Two stars in the darkest night, her crystallized fascinate. Her movements, she feels your heartbeat, an animal fear. Her beauty is unreal, just beat feet out of here.
If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 watching her prey. Crystallize, 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 fascinate.
Never, ever, never. Never, ever, never. You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own. I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to move on. I was running from a bad thing when I first met you. This is gonna hurt, but it doesn't make it any less true. I never really loved you. I never really did call you my only. I'm only holding on to something in my head because I'm lonely. I never ever meant to hurt you, but it doesn't make it any less true.
So how did you like how the photos turned out? Leave a comment down below on what you thought of them. And if you learnt something in this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, as it will really help me out. But I really hope you're having an awesome day or week or night or wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.